channel because I'm in my brother's. Here, so I'm gonna open it now. Ooh, oops. Whoa. Whoa. This is the the Joy-Con or something. It's we chose the colored one cause like yeah. Then here's the tablet. Ooh, ah. Yeah. Then this is just a cardboard. You can just use it for the Nintendo Lab thing.
Or
something.
HDMI.
Oh yeah. Then this is now.
Adapter. Yeah.
Oh, yeah? I don't really know. Then, oh, slow. Then this and the other one just fell. There. Oh, here. Here it is. Like these. Then here.
This one for the controller.
Oh yeah. And here's all the things.
No, there's
Oh yeah. There's more actually. Oh, what is this? So. Oh. What? Oh, okay.
It's for the TV.
No, if you want it to.
Yeah, if you
Like,
want to play, yeah.
you don't know it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Maybe. You don't know.
Yeah.
And here.
Tiny, right?
Yeah, I thought it was really big. I'm just gonna throw all of them. Like, no, not all. Like, not these stuff.
No, like just put them.
Just take it out.
Okay. Ano lang. Put it.
And then here it is, the blue Joy-Con. And the red one.
Yeah, the red one.
So now
This is
the
the
tablet. Maybe you could watch YouTube or something. I don't know if you could. It's like a tablet. It's really small tablet.
You know.
Here it is.
And let's put the
Like
and let's look the
this.
tablet.
Let's look at the tablet. Whoa.
And now let's put the blue here. You know. No, it's big.
Wait, our HDMI thing.
And we're gonna put the
Like the
The
no, not the HDMI, like the SD card.
yeah.
Where's go? Here it is. We already ripped it, like no, not ripped it, like
Here.
cut it
Here's
like with a
the
scissor.
SD card.
Yeah,
And we're gonna
it's a 64 gig one.
There you go.
Whoa!
And
Be
now
careful, because it's
we're
really
gonna
small.
Put this now.
I think it's on the
I
back.
think it's in the back here.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, put it carefully.
yeah. Because we don't want it stuck. Maybe it's like the wrong way. Oop.
Here. This is how you open it.
And you put this there, I think.
Yep.
Yeah, like that. And then you push. Push it?
See.
Or is it the wrong way? There.
And we're done.
Now we can turn
That's
it on,
it.
I think.
How do you turn it?
Sorry
Oh,
if we're not good at it.
yeah, and
Now, do you hold? Oh yeah, there it
look
is.
at this. So awesome, bro.
So awesome. Oh my God. Oh. Whoa, what's
my
that sound?
gosh.
I love this sound.
English.
English, of course. The Americas, I think. Yeah. What? Searching for network.
And where are we? Oh, that one.
Yeah.
And just wait, guys. We're here. We need our password and Wi-Fi. It's. Just wait, I'm not gonna show you guys.
Just wait, okay? It won't take long. But it's okay. Here, let me just pull like these off. We don't really know what these all like what these are for. Oh yeah. And this, I think is like the controller thing. Oh, maybe like you put this on or something. We don't really know everything about Nintendo Switch.
This is our first time getting this.
Yeah.
And now it's connecting.
Success. We're not from Cuba though. What?
Later.
Wait, would you like to connect
Later.
later? Yeah, sure. Yeah, we already did. What?
What?
Wait.
Oh, so you need to pull it here. Like,
Oh, if you want to pull it out?
yeah, like that.
Okay, if you want to pull it out. But let's put it back on.
And then, you can use this. You can use this.
What's a TV?
No worries.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just like that.
Yeah, it's very easy, guys.
I'll be the blue.
Oh,
And you're gonna be the red.
one. Let's just use it for. Use it like. And now we're gonna use it now. Here, like that.
I'll be blue.
I'll be the red one.
So 8.
Charging next.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's
Next.
fun.
Set your icon and nickname.
Yep.
Let's
So
be.
now we're gonna.
Let's
we're
be
gonna
Zelda or something.
use
Oh, let's make.
Tractor. Oh no, not that one.
No, let's go back.
Now
Oh.
we're gonna choose.
Let's pick like these. What is this one?
I think this one. I like this one.
Oh, from
or
Splatoon?
This one, yeah.
But we're boys.
Yeah, we're boys.
Girls. No, we're boys. Yeah, let's just pick that one.
And let's pick
background.
Let's pick black.
Yeah, let's pick black. I like black better.
Yeah, it's more dope.
Okay. That's here. What should we name him?
Okay, let's put this back now. Sweet guys.
It's okay if it's like touchscreen. It's okay. I like touchscreen better.
Okay, this way.
Oh wow, that's a
Wow.
wow. It makes a sound. See?
And we're gonna name it like.
Let's just name
Yeah.
like my name, like Kenji. Kenji 1 2 3 4.
Yep.
Sign in and link. Create account.
Yeah.
Later.
Later. Want me to? Okay. Parang
Oh.
awkward ba?
No, we need to do
I'm gonna
the.
pick my own. Okay. This is gonna be me.
Well, I didn't know you could make 2 accounts.
This one.
You should just do green.
I'm gonna name it like. Go for it.
Let's just do. Let's just
Just wait. Just wait.
right there.
Yeah, wait.
Oh, right there. RD. This
Okay.
later. So there's 2 accounts.
Skip. Parent comment.
Skip. Play.
think. Oh yeah.
System
Says the
update. Let's update.
Go. Yeah.
Let's update it. We're updating it. I like the update. Well, even like on my Xbox 360, like the Call of Duty Ghost, I updated it, and then it needed what's that? Xbox Live, and then I didn't really want Xbox Live. It was like, oh, why did I update it? And then now I can't like play the Ghost, the Call of Duty. I'm gonna show you our games we bought. The NBA 2K19 because me and my brother like basketball. Then we got the Minecraft one because I kinda like Minecraft. And we got the gift card, so like when we start playing our Nintendo Switch, we can like use it for our Nintendo Switch. I mean, our Fortnite. And yep. So guys, we're just gonna end this video. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to your families and friends. And just comment below if this was a good video. And can you just tell us like some tips? Because we're just beginners. Okay? Bye.